Everyone, this is Susan Stofflet, and I am bringing to you part 2 of Chapter 9, entitled Teachers Talk About Race, Class, and Achievement. The objectives are to understand the systematic ways in which the researcher looks closely at his own practice, to recognize the theory behind the study, to understand how other teachers, researchers, writers have influenced his thinking. So let's begin with the first question. What are the systematic ways in which Delvin Dinkins looks closely at his own practice? Dinkins draws on traditions of qualitative research methods and, perhaps more importantly, his knowledge of the context to report about, as well as to try to understand, the conversations that took place with the academic achievement group. Dinkins chose to focus on teachers because of his experience as an educator in this setting and because of the Black community's implication of teachers as critical factors in their children's underperformance. He collected data through conversations, inquiry, and reflection. He attended meetings as a group member, observer, and facilitator, and he viewed himself as a collector of stories and perspectives. What is the theory behind the study? The theory behind the study is a social constructivism approach. Dinkins' theory behind the study includes social, cultural, and historical factors that play a part in cognitive development. Dinkins borrows from Catherine Owl's explanation of the achievement gap, and the goal is to improve culturally responsive instruction. Culturally responsive teaching has a goal of instruction for students of diverse backgrounds to increase school success, create a link between students' home and social experiences, recognize that students must first be competent within their own culture, and while educators focus on equality of educational outcomes and celebration of diversities, students have opportunities to succeed. What other factors researchers, teachers, writers have influenced his thinking? On a local level, studying how teachers talked about race, class, and achievement, and how their language evolved and took shape was of critical importance to the school's community and to the wider conversation about the achievement gap. On a national level, Equal Educational Opportunity Act of 1974 recognizes every child can maximize his or her individual potential through opportunities, which is likely the base for this study and discussion to start.